Hi guys, we're here again. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing some vents here in the corners and in the middle, so the air that coming from under the car is not get trapped in the bumper and create like a parachute effect, and it's gonna slow down the car. So we are gonna be doing some vents here in the middle because Alejandro didn't like the aluminum insert that everybody puts here. He doesn't like it. So we're gonna be doing some designs and everything, and we're gonna be making the vent so the air can go out from inside of the bumper and don't create drag. Okay guys, this is what I did. I'm gonna show you, this is the test run, like a test run. You can see I already did the two vents from the rear bumper, and now that's not finished. You can see the license plate lights there, but I'm gonna take the bumper off. I'm gonna be installing a mesh, a black mesh in the back, so none of that is we're gonna be seeing it. So now I'm gonna be doing this corner. These ones are 1 inch thick and 12 inches long. So these ones, I'm gonna be doing these ones in the side. I took this corner as a reference. I took a line, and then we're gonna be doing 9 inches because I don't want them to be too big. So first one is gonna be 9 inches. The other one is gonna be 8 and 7. I don't know how many I'm gonna be doing because I wanna continue the contour of the flare. So they're gonna be, the top one is gonna be longer than the bottom ones, and then I'm gonna show you what tools I'm using to do this. I'm using the drill with the 1 inch hole saw to do the corners. I mark here. This is gonna be the first holes, and then I use this to cut the lines. This knife is a cheap knife, but it with a brand new blade. Okay, look at this. I do first the holes, then I'm gonna be cutting to the line here. I'm gonna be drawing the bottom line. I'm gonna be cutting with the knife. Now I'm using this corner as a reference, this corner, and the other side pointing to this corner here of the lamp. Use tape as a reference. Put this corner there and this corner here. I already draw the line. Can do this line, and this is gonna be almost the same at the other side because this is what I use in the other side to as a reference. This one. So now I'm gonna be using this one as a reference because I'm doing at the same level. Okay, I can measure this from here to here like this. It's gonna be 2 3/4. Yep, almost the same. So now this is the top part. I'm gonna measure. This is one inch, but the middle point so is a half an inch. So if I wanna the top part go the same as this one, I'm gonna mark here half an inch, and that's gonna be my first hole there. Half an inch, and the top one it was 9 inches, so I'm gonna mark here 9 inches. If they see like this, I'm gonna be marking here. It's gonna be the first one and half an inch to do the first hole. So the first hole is gonna be here, half an inch. So I have my handy dandy hole saw.
That's their favorite word.
Yep, handy dandy. Handy dandy. So let's hope this goes well. If not, we have to buy another bumper. But I don't think so. Okay.
Alejandro's not gonna be happy about that.
Yeah, this is gonna be first hole. The second one here. It'll be difficult for me. Second hole. Okay. I have this so I can mark the bottom part here. When I cut, it's gonna be straight. And now, the Super tool, the best one ever. Like butter. And now I use this to fix imperfections. Then I'm gonna be doing the other three, and I'm not going to bore you doing the other ones, but you can see the finished product here. That's the finished product, the same thing in both sides, and the middle, this one in the middle. I already did it. Well guys, as you can see, you can change the look on your bumpers with minor stuff, and it's really easy. Just measure and measure before you cut, because as soon as you cut, there is no way back. So I think it's gonna look great. And now I have the mesh over there, but I need something to glue it to the bumper, but I have to take the bumper out, so it's gonna be another story. So guys, glad I can be help to you to do some custom stuff to your car that work, because this is not cosmetic only. As you remember, that's I'm doing this so the air can go out from the bumper and don't create the drag effect and take miles per hour on the car. So the car is gonna run 1 or 2 miles per hour more because of that. So guys, thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing. And remember, if you dream of it, work for it and make it happen. See you in the next one, guys.